Why is the Grinch afraid of Santa Claus? It's because the Grinch is a little claustrophobic. What nationality is Santa Claus?
Well, he did some DNA testing and found out that he is North Polish.
What is the first thing elves learn in school? So the first thing that elves learn in school is the alphabet. What type of cow does Frosty the Snowman have? Frosty's cow is an Eskimo. What do you call a kid who does not believe in Santa? You call a kid who does not believe in Santa a rebel without a clause. Why was the broom late to the holiday party?
Because it overswept.
Oh. What song does a Jewish soup like to listen to during Passover? So during Passover, a Jewish soup likes to listen to Matzo Matzo Man. What is Santa's favorite thing to do in his garden?
I think he likes to ho, ho, ho.
Ho, ho, ho. What do you call an elf that likes to shake his hips and listen to the song Blue Christmas? This elf is Elvis Presley. How much does it cost Santa to park his sleigh and reindeer? So the cost for Santa to park his sleigh and reindeer is actually nothing because it's on the house.